In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy Doodly. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly acquire and buy Doodly. You will be able to do it by going over to the official Doodly website at doodly.com. In this page, you can see a lot of examples and videos on how Doodly works and what you can make with this software. So once you arrive at this website, all that you have to do is click the option to try Doodly, or you can go over to pricing if you would like to compare prices. So they have four main options. You can either purchase it monthly or pay annually, and they offer the standard plan or the enterprise plan. There's a difference of $30 between these plans here, and you can see all of the individual things that change. So they offer more props, more templates, more songs, audio tracks, and so on the enterprise standard here. Now you can see frequently asked questions, and if you would like to purchase any of these, so you just choose them here and then choose the option to try for free. You will be able to use the product for free for a while to evaluate it, and if you like it, you will be able to finish paying. So you will have to include a lot of your contact information. Since this is all sensitive, I will not be able to fill all of this on screen, but basically you fill out your first name, last name, email, the billing details such as the address, city, postal code, and finally the card. It seems like the only option that they have for payment methods is going to be a card. So you do have to use a card to pay for this, and after it is done, you will be able to log into your account to download their products, of course in this specific case, Doodly. And you can compare all of the features that are included through this page here. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy Doodly. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.